Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be talking about Theta. So let's take a look at the chart and see what's going on. So in our last video we were talking about these head and shoulders that we were seeing forming. Here's the shoulder, the head, another shoulder. We put a target at about 55.9 cents. And as we see, we reached the target. We fell a little bit below it. So here we can go ahead and put another support. As we see, we just stopped right here. So we can see also, if we take a look at the past, we did had some resistance in this area. We had some support in this area. Okay, so now let's take a look what's going to be happening in the near future. So as soon as we hit here, we jump all the way up to test this as a resistance. As you see, we tried here to break it, but it was a resistance. We tested it once, we tested it second time. So now we're gonna see if we're actually gonna be able to break it and go above and see if we can break the 62 cents. So for the near future, we might be able to do it. We might be able to test it and maybe bounce a little bit between here, maybe even break it and see, as we've seen that here we were in downtrend and we bounce pretty strong up, but still we continue with our downtrend. And I believe that we still have some correction to do for this coin, and the downtrend is still continues. But in a short term, we might be able to jump even up to this area to test our 200 moving average. This is the 4-hour chart. We might just reach 62 cents. So I'm going to be watching, continue watching these areas that we talked about, that they playing out support resistance. And let's see what's going to be our next point where we can see some support if we're going to be continue going down. So in case if you want to be shorting and you see we bouncing and we breaking down this area where we can be going next. So let's take a look. Let's take a look on a weekly chart and will be easier to find stronger support resistance area. Okay, so for now we said that this is our support here. Our next support resistance we can probably take about this area. I know it's a little bit larger, but I'm gonna be watching the 52 to like 50 cents, see if we can stop here and bounce. You also see our 21 exponential moving average on a weekly is coming around here, so we might kind of get in this zone, touch this exponential moving average and get a bounce. Before maybe we're going to be continuing down. There's another area of support, probably this area, I would say between the 42 and kind of 40, let's say 39, close to 40 cents. So I don't want to be concentrated on this because I don't think it's in play as of right now. It's going to take a while, even if we're going to get here at some point. For now, this is the area that I'm going to be executing my next buying order when we get there. Yeah, so that's the weekly. Let's take a look at the daily. I know the day is far from being closed. Here, if we're going to stay like this or even push up a little bit, it's going to be a beautiful hammer candle that kind of will show the trend change maybe for a while, and maybe we're gonna bounce again, as I'm thinking after pretty long downtrend we have to breathe in a little bit and kind of go up, or maybe we don't. We're gonna see what's going on with the election. Right now it's a little bit uncertain what's gonna be happening, so I am paying attention to that. It's interesting. I'm enjoying to follow that, and in the next week we're probably gonna know already for sure what's gonna happen. So these are the areas I'm looking for now, and again we still can see maybe some bounce here to here. Maybe on a daily we might reach the 21 exponential moving average before we continue down. So these are some areas to look at. That's all I wanted to share with you today. So please guys, subscribe to our channel, like and share the video if you did like it. If you didn't, that's fine as well, and comment, let me think where you do think the price gonna be going next. Is this was our bottom and we're gonna continue going up? As again I'm saying, I love this project. I think it's gonna be a crazy one. It has an amazing future, but again the price cannot just go up in a straight line. So what do you think? Are we done with our correction, or we still have some downtrend to continue until we're gonna see a higher highs? Okay, have a great day and see you next time. Adios.